Hey there, so I'm going to show you how is it that you can print your own diaper prints for your cloth diapers. I'm going to start with this file that I bought from a Facebook group, and I'm going to go ahead and use my sublimation printer. I'm going to start also tracing this and the POL that I'm going to use. So I'm going to cut the piece of POL that I'm going to use for the diaper using the pattern. I'm going to leave the link below. So I wanted to point out this. I forgot the settings. I needed to use like photo settings, high quality. That's why there is a difference in the colors, but something that I can fix. I wasted 2 pages, but it's okay. That's how we learn, right? So anyways, so I'm going to use this heat resistant tape, and I'm going to start using the heat press to transfer the sublimation into the POL. You have to be very careful because POL does have a film that can get stuck to your heat press if you want to avoid that. So I'm going to go ahead and use parchment paper to cover up, make sure I don't burn anything. And I did change the settings. I used to be 400 degrees for a minute. I did change it a little bit less because it did leave like a little trail there, but it was, I figured that one out. Anyways, I think I went to 385 for 45 seconds. Just play around with your heat press depending on how it is. Mine is this way. But yeah, I'm just transferring everything for the tabs, for the back, for the front. And I'm just going to finish up the diaper and close it the way it is. I do use a second piece of POL because with the heat transfer, when you use the sublimation, you got to heat up the POL. It does damage the lamination. So in order to do that, I use 2 pieces of POL, the one that I print the design on and the one that is a waterproof part. That way there's no leaks in the diaper. So now what I'm going to do will be close the diaper, finish closing the diaper like I usually do. If you want to watch a video, I have a video for that. You can also check the video on how to add the snaps. I'm going to leave all the videos linked below so you can find them if you're starting your journey on cloth diapering. So I'm going to go ahead. I use matching colors for the snaps to make it look cute. And I made this one size cloth diaper that I have here with the inner soft, and I'm just gonna button up, making sure that all the snaps work. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's pretty easy, it's fun. You can create your own designs using Procreate or whatever design software that you use. I just found this print. I thought it was cute. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and bye.